These are old towels from the shop, and Ann does not want me washing them in her brand new washing machine. So what do? Let's see here. Yeah, honey, they'll fit. That's plenty good.
You stop it.
What? They'll fit in there just fine. No problem. Go ahead and stick them in there. I'll get them washed tomorrow.
I'm gonna bring it to the shop tomorrow.
I'll wash them. All right, I'll wash them tonight, not tomorrow. Go ahead and give them to me tonight.
You gonna buy wash and dry machine?
She cooking faux soup.
If you do it again, you go in jail.
All right, let me go grab those towels. Where'd you put them, honey?
Honey, stop.
I
I'll play around with you.
Oh, man. Oh, real quick, before the camera shut off earlier, when I was talking about the thumbs downs and stuff like that, well, you know, in the comment section the other day, Johnny Smallfry did tell me that he never has given me a thumbs down. I believe him. Of course. He's just so trustworthy. Couldn't be him. He said it wasn't. Little bit. Bring those to the washing machine.
Donnie Cole.